With its rugged design and made-to-last labels, the Brady BMP21 outperforms other portable label printers. Maximum flexibility means the BMP21 can print labels in a variety of sizes, and you decide the length you want. And because Brady's labels are made with long-lasting outdoor materials and tough thermal transfer printing, you can rest assured that the labels you make today will still be there years down the line, as legible and clear as the day you made them. The BMP21 printer is ruggedly designed to withstand tough industrial environments. It uses durable labels that can withstand 5 years of outdoor exposure. The BMP21 prints continuous labels up to 3/4 of an inch wide and offers 4 sizes of self-laminating labels up to 1.5 inches in length. The user-friendly design means the BMP21 is simple to operate. Cartridges load easily. And don't forget the 12-month warranty. The BMP21 features a large display screen for indoor, low-light, and outdoor viewing, and an easy keypad with electrical and datacom symbols. Label formatting is automatic thanks to innovative touch cell technology. And the label retention feature means labels don't fall out after you cut them. They stay in the printer until you're ready. The BMP21 also features 2 cutter buttons to ensure easy, comfortable operations. And the industrial strength cutter is built to last. The multifunctional accessory includes a magnet, flashlight, stand, pole, and belt strap. So if you only have one hand free, it's no problem. And bumper guards are integrated for added durability.